Okay, wait lang. Girl, gusto mo ba ng sunscreen and primer in one? This is the EB Daily Dose of Flawless Filter. Dito, protected ka na tapos flawless ka pa. Meron tong SPF 60 PA++, so safe ka na from the sun. And kung mahilig kayo mag-makeup, perfect na perfect to kasi it will serve as your primer, meaning magiging smooth ang application nyo ng makeup base nyo. Very lightweight din to, easy to blend, at girl, kahit sunscreen to, walang white cast. Ito ko sa inyo kung gano'n siya kaganda pag naglagay kayo ng makeup base. Pag nag-set na yung daily dose nyo, apply na kayo ng foundation nyo, and makikita nyo na yung pinaka-application nyo, sobrang flawless, poreless, at may glowing effect talaga. This is my skin looks like after ko mag-apply ng foundation. So kung gusto mo ng sunscreen at primer in one, you should try this EB Daily Dose Flawless Filter. Kung gusto mo mag-avail, girl, ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa comment section and sa aking basket.